I have one thing. Now this one, what it will do is it will create a task to one group and they need to manually do it. Okay, this is the manual way. You all agree this is a manual thing? Yes. Either from service desk group or ServiceNow team or service database team, they need to do this one manually and then close the task. This is manual task. You all agree? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, when a ticket is created to a group, they have some SLAs. Okay, 3 days, 2 days, 1 day. First thing. And second thing is until they need to do, these people need to wait. Third thing is we need to do manually, no? So we need a person. Okay. Now how the world is trending is try to do automations. The world is trending towards automations. Okay. So if we really think, do we really need a person to do this one? Just think and tell me. Okay. Is this needed a manual task creation or can we make it automation? Can I make this one automation?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay. So generally now the management how it will think is okay, let's say I have 10 people. Okay, let's think like this. Okay, it is good for some sake, bad for some sake. Okay, but just understand it. This is what the expectation, right? We have 10 people. Okay, we are all working on service no tickets, not development tickets only. Ticket, manual task. We will be getting each person. We will get okay. Let's say per day each person will get 10 tickets. Okay, so per day how many? 100 tickets, right? So 100 tickets per day. Think like this. Okay. So per month, 100 into 20, roughly. Okay. So 2000 tickets we used to get. So this is our kind of capacity, 2000 tickets, right? So 2000 manual tasks we do. This is what it indicates. Am I right, my everyone? Yes, everyone. Do you all agree?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I need 10 I need how many members here? Okay. 10 members here, correct? We said 10 members, right? Okay, to organize, to operate these 2000 tickets, okay, I need a team of 10 members and they should accept daily 10 tickets. Is that the correct one? Yes, 10 into 10, 10 people, 10, 100, 20 days, so 2000 roughly like this. So I need to maintain 10 people to manage this work. First point. Everyone agree 100%? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Now, in those 2000 tickets that we are dealing every month, okay, how many tickets can we automate it? Okay, just analyze it. Okay, the managers are sitting and then analyzing it. So, let's say per a day, let's say we are getting 100 tickets. Among 100 tickets, okay, 10 tickets are like 15 tickets or 20 tickets are related to, okay, 20 by 100 tickets are related to group management. Okay, so group creation or updation or retire. And then remaining 80 tickets are related to, okay, maybe I will, okay, catalog creation, okay, or user creation, user administration, okay, or okay, report creation, okay, or access related issue, okay, application issues or access related, anything, okay. So, okay, Now, one of the developer or one of the architect will come, says, there is, I can do automation. I have scripting, I know scripting, I can do automation. So, the respective manager will say, how you do automation. Okay. So, in the workflow, I will say, okay, once the request is submitted, I will go for manual approval, manager approval. Okay. Once the manager approved, then what I will do is instead of creating task, okay, I will run a script and then the script will create a group record or update a group record or retire a group record. I will do this. If we do this, what will happen? Just think and tell me. Summarize it and think and tell me. If we can able to implement this one in successfully, okay, what happens? This guy will get a promotion automatically, or you will get some nice, okay, appreciation or some good money, okay, appraisal, right? Whoever implemented it. So on top of it, what will happen? Just tell me.
Cut off the 10 members to 8 members.
So cut off these 10 people to 8 people. Now we are understanding. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the main question everyone are asking me, sir. Okay, AI is coming, na? So we are all will go to villages, sir. Back to farming. No IT, sir. Even AI, PI, okay, anything will come. Even Elon Musk will come from Mars also. No issues will happen. Manpower will reduce. Earlier it was 10 people, maybe it will become 8 people. First thing. Second thing, okay, those two people also, who are those two people is where they can't do anything. They just will do daily activities. Click, 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 click. They don't learn anything. They can't write any scripting. They can do only the manual tasks. Those people only will go. So let's say, is there any way this guy implemented this automation? The management will remove this guy by any chance?
No, no, sir.
No, no. So the other way of taking the same situation is, if we are good, no one will touch us. Correct? Okay. They will remove the weakest part of these
Absolutely.
8 people. Okay. The 2 people are weakest people. Okay. Do you know when I started my career somewhere around 2006, between 2006 to 2010, if you take any company, okay, we call it as so-called call center. Okay. Call center is maybe non-technical. We generally see it is like a cheap job generally. But IT based, no, IT based call center is service desk, help desk or help desk. Okay, service desk is IT based service, IT based call center. Okay, that time when you see 2006 to 2010, na, people needs to migrate from India to US and UK, and their job is attending the calls and then resolving the tickets. You know that everyone. What is their job is desktop support. Okay, what they do is they will attend the calls and then they resolve the tickets. Incidents only, incident management, ticket creation, ticket submission, ticket resolution, receiving the calls. For that, people used to go to US and UK and then they used to do too much of overaction also. That is the secondary. And that time, if anyone is coming back to India, na, we used to see an advertisement in the paper saying this person is returning from US. Welcome back to home. Do you know that? Anyone seen this kind of
Yes, sir.
dramas?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone, you know that, right? Okay. Now, how the world is trending is that time in an organization called like HCL or Capgemini or TCS, If for one project, if you just only take service desk team, na, 200 to 500 service desk agents will be there. That is a huge income for Indian based companies. Huge income. And whenever a company got a project, they used to mass recruit it. Mass recruit it means one recruitment, okay, 200 people, 300 people who have communication skills with some app support, okay, knowledge. They will recruit, then they will give some training, some 20, 30 activities, then they will start using them. Okay, that is the trend that time, 10 years before, somewhere. Even when I was in HCL also, this was like that. Now, if you see service desk, na, okay, they are managing with two people, three people, or four people, because everything is changed now. Okay, so to create a ticket, earlier one person needs to attend the call and then do. Okay, now do we really need a person to create a ticket, ma? So I have ICICI bank issue. Okay, now I will just go here. Correct? Do I need to call and then raise a ticket? No, I have a bot here. Ask Hypal. This guy will create a ticket for me. Automation. Understanding it now?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
a person like me who started a career in 2006 where you don't learn anything and then keep on click, 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 then where I will be now? Either I will try there only, last the job and go home and then do, or else just stay there with same package. Okay. So if I get maybe, okay, 12 lakhs per annum, the 12 lakhs will be there. I can't speak, they don't give. And suddenly if they give some nice pink slip, I have to go home and then try in some other company where they will offer me the same click, click, click job. Understanding it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understanding it? Why I'm telling this one
Yes, sir.
is, okay, this is how we are doing the workflows configuration now. You seen it. We seen task creation. It is creating to a group. They are doing manually. But now we are understanding the flows. We are identifying the opportunities to do automations. If I can do this automation, how much it is saving for my project? Huge, correct? I can do automation for group creation, group updation. Simple. User creation, user updation. Simple. User retirement. So department creation, location creation, site creation. So whatever you call it, where you can do automation, I can do. Why we need to spend time extra for it? Time is money. Am I right? You all agree time is money?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone. Okay. So this introduction, this drama and all for automations, right? Now out of 10 people, how many can do this automation? Maybe one guy who know glide record scripting. Remaining 9 people, they will just do tickets. That is also there. Am I right, ma? Yes, that is also there. Yes or no? Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. So now come back. Okay, so see here, if you see the workflow, na, in this workflow, what I will do is, okay, I will take this script, okay, I need one line of it. Okay, anyway, I have it. No? So instead of creating a manual task, what we do is we create a run script here. This is your assignment for today.